Right, you guys. As you see, we just wake up. Yeah, what's here? We just wake up soon. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna brush mine. Then we'll just tie up the kitchen. And what else? Yeah. I will finish washing up myself. And I'll see you guys in a few. So. Guys, I'm here with Katie and Suki. Finally finished getting myself ready. Yeah, pie some other stuff. And I made a bowl with a kerchief. Y'all like it? You like it? I will put on lipstick on you. You put on lipstick on her?
Me,
we can't kiss you.
So we're just chilling in the country as usual. What?
You're not in the country.
She said we are not in the country.
Which one did it?
So where are we?
Home.
Yes, we're home. Where is home? In the country.
Nope.
Where?
That's where we live. And I have a next place where I live. I don't know already know where I live.
We live in the country, guys. That's the country. Right?
It's not like this can be one country. I'm not forgot
What?
I'm going to jump all
See right this one. Right? Yeah, that black one right this one. Yeah.
And I hate.
I eat. Pies.
Oh.
Yellow up.
Still I'm night.
He's saying he's in his 90. Really? He's not in his 90.
He's in his clothes. Because he underwear.
Because sing,
What?
you sing for me.
Sing for them.
This frog is gonna be.
Yeah. Excuse. Don't make so much up in my head, you know.
So delete that.
No? Oh yeah, you the one so far.
I'm going to
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Just chill.
This is one big guys.
Oh, it's the water. Time is so hot, so I have to drink water. It's okay. No, but I make you stay. Here, yeah, wash. You can't come bring some because and you can wash them for me.
Yeah, man, $5,000 per piece.
$5,000 per piece? Yeah,
I glue this.
you come like a real mischief to rat about $5 per piece.
It's not glue.
Then it's what?
I'll speak again for you.
What?
It's so weird, not this.
What else?
A poison, Katie.
And a poison.
A poison.
Stop telling lie.
I want it.
Dash it away.
Never.
Go wash your hand.
Oh, you have to play the game here. Can you see?
Episode.
An episode this.
Yes, Kayla. You guys forget a woman. What can wash no pick no clothes them. No fun. The white them wash good though, man. You can wash, you can do something with teacher well, don't it?
You teach
So is who teacher?
yourself.
Or you teach yourself to do something? Yeah, man. Good job, Kayla. Good job. Katie, see the snake there? Why you feel that way, I tell?
Because me not feel no snake bite me.
Because you never see the snake, you never stand long enough to see the snake.
When me go in there, look and see her and tell someone to see her.
Yeah, go on. Oh, she's very smart. I can't trick her so easy.
Shady, me go dash you over here.
Dash her away. Dash her. Yeah, show her where the snakes are. Show her where the snakes are. Show her. Go
Shady
go
said she dead.
She dead. No, you hear what she said? She said, me dead.
Me dead. And that's a Katie.
Oh, come out of this. Oh.
Look here.
Go put on your shoes. I didn't forget to.
Glass over here, baby.
I want you just to lick me. Watch me and her. No, eh? Lick your lip me. Lick your lip me.
When we go to all our white page them, we do
What
a
you gonna
lot
do?
of homeworks.
You hear me?
Yeah?
What are you going to do?
For white page,
What are you going to do?
write something.
It's okay there. On our phone, I play a game. We are all just chilling till we're ready for find something else to do. So I'll see you in a bit. If you know me, you know that I love sugar cane.
No, you don't like it.
I don't like it, I love it. But I want something more love me. Eat sugar cane all day till my jaw them start hurting.
Let me break it down.
Why Mundi? So Austin, how is it though?
Oh, sugar.
So it's not sweet?
Eh?
It's not sweet. It's not sweet.
See that? Yeah, all white. You know, no sugar in there. Yeah, all white.
So it's fresh.
That means I'm
But me
forgetting
love sweet cane. Oh, so Chip take the bottom because he knows that it's sweet and I start up. And I start up with the top.
So Chippa eat the bottom.
The bottom had the cane in. It too.
Daddy,
Lily. Lily, enjoy your cane.
Ginger, come here.
Yeah, right?
This is
Really sweet like syrup.
So Chip.
Look in your camera.
Everybody, tell what ad, everybody I eat cane. So what about for me?
Yeah.
What do you mean by want people? Of course, we want tasting.
With a gear ready, take your bottom.
Yeah, me I tasting.
It's sweet,
We
man.
want some people go and chat too. Because everybody can't chat me now chat. Yeah.
That's what you want to try.
These
And the big two, no? You piece of cane, dad. Sweet. Oh, give me some, man.
when you give it,
What do you go for that life there, house?
when you buy
Lime? What are
it's fresh, you guys. It's so fresh. This the top part of the cane is always fresh. And the bottom part.
You drink lime and beer? Where you come from? put rubber lime with salt on the beer mouth and drink.
I'm so disappointed. But we soon share the bottom of the cane, because the bottom of the cane is always the sweetest way.
I'm gonna try that.
Keep this fresh, man. This one has sugar.
Chip. A big one is shaped like one ball.
I still can't have that there, so
You get weighed up yet. And I chip.
Frill, yeah, I said it, Frill.
Daddy, I want big
Lime?
chocolate cookie.
Lime. What that do? Take off the white skull.
We soon share the bottom here.
No, one section.
We're gonna show him.
The lower section, okay? You know, here.
Price a listen music, so it's not here. And Bobby there build up one big head.
What, alright, one.
What will we take to and gear two?
Bobby, say hi.
And that you say? Yeah. The line.
Because I give Ginger one, that's why I should say, picture for not a year.
Austin, why you guys put lime and sugar cane?
You get a different flavor, no?
What kind of flavor?
Lemonade. sugar and lime game, no lemonade.
But the sugar that they in the cane?
What?
Yeah, then the sugar cane. And the lime and the sugar, you get lemonade.
And smart though.
Yeah, go back up.
So the lime and summer it tastes good.
Lemonade. Yep.
But never see that yet.
No, you see it.
Cane made.
Oh, you chose on the
Excuse me. Anytime I bad coffee, you have to say excuse me.
That's right. Manners.
Is that cane fish?
Yeah, cane fish dry the crew. You know, say hi. Say hi. That's it, hi.
Take it from the man.
We need, yo.
That dry teach everybody, man.
I think I always
Tell me
think
what the bottom yes.
They have to kick off and start breaking.
I always think I think I will give me.
Can't get all like that.
Yeah, here one.
Right, you know one big piece on there.
Okay.
So,
you get more cane than
so
I.
Monday, that's it.
You have one big piece on there.
Wait, this time I got something.
So, how is that? How is the bottom?
Show me, show me.
How is the bottom?
No.
Eh? Eh? How is the bottom? See?
Monday nearly choked.
Japan there.
Daddy, Monday nearly
The
choked.
bottom sweet.
And Suki has about the bottom taste bad. Thank you.
No, but what?
Come for some bottom.
Bottom.
Yeah.
Daddy, let me give her.
So you want to give her back?
No, you more like because.
Cut lime, cut lime.
This kind of sweeter than that.
Lime, 3 months.
Yeah. Finally get a cane. It tastes good.
Jankro.
Oh, thank you, guys. So I see you guys
Like
when
you
we finish up that cane.
Like you never feel it.
So,
Oh, me
little
cane.
more. Guys, you never see a dog at the cane, eh? Dog at the cane stand.
I can't taste my Jenna.
I'm so forward.
We just finished mash up the cane. I got one more piece there, but I just maybe leave for chill. So it's a chill with everybody
We
disappear.
change our
You
pampers.
see how people stay? When food are around the crowd and as food done, everybody scatter.
And then you go.
So, see you in my next video. Thank you. Corn and a fork, not corn and a cob. Nobody eating corn now?
We give Peter gear 6 today.
You guys want some?
Today. Want it?
Try.
The bun. The bun. Stop the funny one.
Come, manager.
I don't know.
So, was I gonna enjoy with corn? Okay guys, I'm just on here to end today's vlog. So that's it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.